Matchbox 19 Ford Mustang Coupe. The Matchbox 19 Ford Mustang Coupe was released in 2023. Let's open the card. The color of the car is pearl white, and it has black 5-spoke wheels. On the front, it has detailed headlights. On the back, it has detailed taillights, GT, and Mustang logo on license plate. Clear window tint. Dark gray plastic base. Matchbox 19 Jeep Renegade. The Matchbox 19 Jeep Renegade was released in 2020. Let's open the card. The color of the car is bright green, and it has silver 5-spoke wheels. On the front, it has Jeep badge, detailed front grille and headlights. On the back, it has Jeep badge, 4x4, Trailhawk logo, and detailed taillights. Dark smoke window tint. Dark gray plastic base. Matchbox 2016 Alfa Romeo Giulia. The Matchbox 2016 Alfa Romeo Giulia was released in 2021. Let's open the card. The color of the car is white pearl, and it has black 5-spoke wheels. On the front, it has Alfa Romeo logo, detailed headlights and front grille. On the back, it has detailed taillights, Alfa Romeo badge, and Giulia on license plate. Clear window tint. Dark gray plastic base. Matchbox 1963 Mercedes-Benz 230 SL. The Matchbox 1963 Mercedes-Benz 230 SL was released in 2024. Let's open the card. The color of the car is white, and it has ringed disc wheels. On the front, it has Mercedes logo, detailed front grille, and headlights. On the back, it has My 230 on license plate, Mercedes logo, and detailed taillights.